Hi everybody, Colleen here from Feel Great Reflexology Massage Cupping. Today we're going to do some more hand reflexology and we are going to be working on the skeletal system. We will cover the spinal reflexes and the shoulder reflexes, and we'll also cover off the neck reflexes on both hands. And I hope you'll enjoy it, and I hope you'll join me and try it with me. So the technique that we're going to use to cover those reflexes in the hand are thumb walking. And we are going to thumb walk up the spinal reflex, and we can also finger walk down the spinal reflexes. Now, I've shown you the treatment with my hand in the air, but I want you to know how you can do it with your hand on a flat surface. So, with your hand on a flat surface and in a way that is easy for you to manipulate, I'm going to show you what to do. So, I am thumb walking the spinal reflexes, starting from the neck and going all the way across to the sacral area. And now I am going to use my knuckles a different way. So I'm putting my spinal reflexes in between my knuckles and I'm stroking down. And I'm doing that because it's another way that we can treat the spinal reflexes if our thumbs and fingers go on strike. If they say not today, and if they say that they're tired or they just don't bend the way we'd like them to bend, it's an alternative for us to use and to try. And the shoulder reflexes. Tight shoulders need some care. They need you to do some thumb walking. They need you to thumb walk both or finger walk the front and the dorsal side of the shoulder reflex, and don't forget both hands. Sometimes you'll find tender spots, sometimes you'll find little aches and pains, some soreness in the shoulder. And funny enough, my right shoulder is feeling some tension, and I really feel the tension on this shoulder reflex. So I'm spending a little bit more time massaging that tension away and stimulating the reflexes. So you'll often know when you need to give some more attention to a reflex. I'm finger walking the back of the shoulder reflex now on the top side or the dorsal side of my hand. And again, giving it some more care because I felt the tension there. And the neck reflexes, which you can find in the middle area of your fingers, right here, and on the thumb, I'm going to do a little rotate massage around, and I'm just going to do a little twist around. You can thumb walk around it, which is relatively easy for me, but not for everybody. And you can easily rotate around it and make it a lot easier for yourself. And again, you might find the reflex in this area of the finger to have a little bit more tension. So stop and rotate or massage or rub or treat that area a little longer if need be. And don't forget the thumb. So that's it for hand reflex. I hope it was helpful for you, and I hope you will try it. So please like if you found value in this video, and I hope you'll subscribe to my channel. Have a great day and feel great.